I'm on my way to the barn. It's very dreary out. You can't really see in the camera, but it's very dreary, quite contrary. Oh, that rhymed. Quite contrary to last week when we were able to bathe the ponies in 80-degree weather. But it's been storming all day, so we have to ride inside. I think I only have Benzie to ride today, but I have to ask my trainer. Got my spurs in my hand. I'll show you guys the outfit once I get down to the barn. All the turnouts are like sopping wet. Alright, this is a bad time to film because they've got the leaf blower going and ponies are getting grain, but I don't have much else time. So we're wearing beige hoodie, beige Pipers, my boots, I've got my spurs, white belt, yellow shirt, and my barn jacket, and my hat. I don't know that I'll be able to get much content because I don't think my mom's around to take videos, so I'll see if my trainer or my dad can, but we'll see. Wet pony. Benzie. He's finishing off his grain before I grab him out to ride. It's very wet out. Very wet. So dirty. Pony. Look at your forelock. It's so loud, it's pouring. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's raining so hard. Favorite treats for the best boy. Oh, I don't have anything more. You were such a good boy. Yeah. You're such a good boy. You're trying to give them a kiss. You're already so wet. They get locked in for the night so they don't get completely soaked. But it's kind of too late for that. See, look at his forelock. And I just put him back and he's already got like shavings and stuff on him. Hi. Look at you. You're such a cute boy. I know. I don't have anything else. Sorry I didn't get to film much. I left my phone down at the indoor and I had to make a whole separate trip back down so I could grab my mask and my jacket my phone for you guys. But we had a really good lesson. I don't think I have a lot of clips just because it was so busy in the indoor. There were 5 other horses, and there was a horse jumping like 1.10 meters right next to us, and he was such a good boy. He didn't even flinch. He was so floaty today and happy boy. He was such a good boy. But that's it for today, I think. It was kind of a boring day because they all had their blankets on all day, and my trainer didn't teach a lot just because it's so like wet, like I said, and stormy. And the other trainers that leased the barn, they had a lot of lessons going on today, and so it kind of got crowded. But yeah, that's it for today. I don't know that this will be a very long vlog just because of that fact, but he was such a good boy. Say goodbye to them. Pony says goodbye.